how to using the AI to supercharging your learning language journey and for your specialized by yourself and your language learning process can be accelerated by utilizing artificial intelligence and find out that how AI can be improving your fluency in an entertaining and interesting way. And so in the learning experience and provide you the immediate feedback. Yes, peeps, welcome back another brand new episode, and I hope that you're doing well. And today is Thursday, and probably is it the third the videos of this week. So, and today I'm gonna be mentioning about you have a language learning journey. If you have it just at beginner or intermediate or advanced level, and even if it doesn't matter which level you are, and with the supercharging and these your language learning journey with the AI tools, let's dive into it. Learning a foreign language rather than your mother tongue. So let's be real, that sometimes those old school's methods can feel like a drag, right? Because I wasn't in that situation. I was a middle school and going and just the first time and see in my life is speaking and learning English in the first time, and it feels like it feels me so overwhelming at that time. So this is so natural to me to feeling it that way. So there's gotta be the better way than just endless the grammar drills and guess what? And there is the frustration of the traditional the language learning of the throughout the dimension of the around your people and among the society, and the struggle of the defining the for time for the language classes around your city, around your life. They didn't want to find you just having not interested so much for so in the end, and they were going to end it up with the frustration with the traditional language learning. So these tedious of the nature of the memorizing the vocabulary or the grammar rules. I'm not saying that is not unnecessary, but it is necessary to be using a grammar properly, and of course the vocabulary range that you're just going to be enhancing. So these maybe can be lead the lack of the personalized the learning experiences and the immediate feedback if you had to chosen to going to be your traditional language learning classes. With that restricting mind, we just being used to the hearing the name of the AI, the rising with every field, especially in the language learning tools. Of course, after the COVID-19, after the pandemic, the mushroom, all over the world, utilizing the name of the AI, the artificial intelligence with AI powered and the language learning labs that aid to people adapting your to the individual needs. It is for instance, the lack of the grammar, the lack of the vocabulary related to your wanted learning that language, and the immersive. And we could say these apps gives you the immersive and the interactive the learning experiences the while that make your learning fun and that makes you more entertaining at that during that journey. So this it will give you to the chance of the real-time feedback using these AI-powered tools and personalized and specialized the learning paths to your own journey. Although I don't really think that just AI is just empowering so much. It gives you a path to lead to so much success. I'm not saying that you will going to be 100% successfully if you're just using these AI tools, but it may be not be fully just a quarter, the percentage of just gives you some aid, give you some advice, and gives you some opinions to going to that tag. They taking that away, the particular, and maybe it will be better than just the past directions are just going to be the AI have the rising of the language learning tools, but how? And how AI helps you to learn a faster or better your own journey. How did they know? Or how they going to be manage these own journeys for personalized for you? And these personalized the learning plans, the blueprints landed based on your strength and the weaknesses on the related language. It could be some vocabulary and grammar. That being said, and so the interactive the exercises between that you have practicing every single day, just games or the flashcards that you're using that your make learning engaging, makes you feel more other things that rather than being learning that language more immersively. It gives you the conversational AI chatbots we could use it on the search on the internet, and that provide your daily practice and the immediate feedback as well. It will be the great for the people who just started for beginner or just being an advanced level. And these AI powered tools for everyone. It doesn't matter to the being your teacher at that the relative language, or just a beginner. It's maybe even your first day at that learning time in your journey. So for example, the Duolingo with the AI powered lessons and personalized and learning these the paths, the roads, and the bubble with AI driven for each for the language recognition and the pronunciation feedback it could give you. So memorize it with AI-powered the spaced repetition for vocabulary learning. Of course, these AI-powered tools that you were just saying it for every learner, but some people didn't. They just disagree with the learning with the AI. The power of these tools not makes very beneficial that their own journey. But personally, I did use. I did use sometimes on my own learning journey, but the most of the time, the learning journey is about practicing every single day and talking with yourself. If you don't have any partner to that, practicing that language, or just even listening some podcast, or it could be just a simple YouTube video. Or like to mention, is it the feature of the AI? This empowering, it is assisted to these language learning paths. You will gonna be probably increasing the personalization and the customization of the learning experience by individuals. And these AI-powered translation tools for the real-time communication as well. We're doing with our phones, just face-to-face, the communication on the WhatsApp or other apps that are just we're talking FaceTime, and the feature where the language barriers are the thing of the past. We're just gonna get through these language barriers more easily and get adapted with that the time. And I hope that it will gonna happen in the future, and these AI assisted these language learning tools will be a more advanced and gives you a more useful tips and advice in our future. The future of the language learning is looking brighter than ever. So with AI, the paving the way more accessible, engaging, and ultimately the more successful the language acquisition. And so if you felt frustrated with the old ways, or that it's time to explore the power of the AI and unlock your language learning potential. Yes, fathers, we did made to the end of this video. Of course, it is at the end of the day, it is your choice to using the AI powered tools or not. But I'm going to be learning a new languages in the pipe. So probably I'm going to using some one of them, not for all of these there's apps and I'm just talking about in this video. So nevertheless, if you just had enjoyed in this video, you know what you're gonna do. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have the more ideas, you can share your thoughts as comments down below. And I'm looking forward to replying your comments. Of course, it gives you the feedback about my own perspectives. And until the next time, stay healthy and peace.